For Short Vlog Friday, we're gonna go to Woody's Lunchbox, our favorite quick service here at Hollywood Studios. Right inside Toy Story Land, across from the Alien Swirling Saucers. You have to mobile order as of right now, but it was only about a 40-minute mobile order wait. I got lots of goodies. So we got a kid's grilled cheese, which had two sides. So we got the tots and the cutie, and then an adult grilled cheese with soup, the brisket sandwich with soup, and the totchos, which are usually amazing. And the two tarts. They only have raspberry right now.
I was gonna say that's raspberry, isn't it?
That's all they have, unfortunately. And then the kids' meal has
chocolate milk.
Yes, the kids' meal has a drink too. We got an extra one.
The comparison is it's only half.
Okay, oh, you're right. So the kids only eat half a grilled cheese and two sides with the drink, and then the other one is a little bit more, a couple bucks more, and you get a full. So I guess you'd have to see which one you can get more of a value on. This is inside the regular grilled cheese. There is a lot of cheese in there. And I'll show you the brisket. Lots of meat. We liked it last time. Everything here is always really good.
It's amazing.
Is it good? The totchos.
I love those.
The totchos are very good from the last time too. So that's good to hear. It is busier. You're gonna have to like wait to get a seat too. We got lucky. So be prepared. So the brisket melt is shredded smoked brisket, pickles, tangy barbecue sauce, melted cheddar, and Monterey Jack cheese on the sourdough bread. It does have a dill taste to it, so just aware. It's not a spicy barbecue, it's mild. Now I'd say the grilled cheese is really good to dip into the soup, but I prefer the melt. Just it's got a nice tang to it.
So, the chicken.
No, those are tater tots.
The tater tots is crunchy inside.
Oh wow, that was a
Good
big
job,
bite.
buddy. You like it? It's good. How you like the grilled cheese, Pumpkin?
Good.
She loves the soup as last time she did too. It's a good combo to dip it. What do you think, Chef Rick?
I like this.
The brisket? Yeah, I do too. It's got a nice tang too.
I like the brisket sandwich a lot. And the addition of the pickle is really good. The dill's nice.
Daddy.
Yeah. No, it definitely tastes like dill.
Cheese inside it.
There is cheese inside it. So between the brisket, the grilled cheese, and the tots.
Yeah.
What is your favorite?
The totchos.
The totchos are your favorite.
Yeah,
and then brisket's your second.
And my favorite is this.
Your favorite's the grilled cheese? Okay.
No, it's not a standard grilled cheese.
Yeah, it's got lots of different cheeses in it.
And it's like big, Texas toast big.
Yeah, really good. Really good. Crunchy and buttery.
Yeah.
Mine? You try the totchos and then I'll give you my review. Yeah. So this tastes just like nachos. That's why they call it totchos. I mean, it tastes just like you're eating a plate of nachos with the beans and the chili and cheese and all that.
Chili
Just like this, I can't even. You wouldn't be able to tell it's potato. They have usually blueberry lemon, but lately it's just been raspberry, so that's what we got. Blueberry is our favorite. Raspberry, we'll take it. It's like a fancy Pop-Tart. How is your raspberry tart, buddy?
Good.
Yeah, you just like to eat all the topping. Good job. That's a big bite.
It's just as good as last time.
Yeah.
I like it lots.
How is your tart?
Good.
What does it taste like?
It's like cherry.
Raspberry. Close enough. What was your favorite thing here, Pumpkin? All of it? You always say that. Alright, so everything was delicious. Did you like it all? This is our favorite quick service here in Hollywood Studios. I would highly recommend it. And you get a little bit better value for the cost of eating here. Right, Chef Rick?
That's right. And I just love the decor, like the little baby bells, the seats.
Oh yeah, just looking around.
Yeah, everything's fun.
That is so good.
You're so silly. Now, if you have any questions, comment down below, or if you have any video suggestions or food reviews we should do, definitely let us know. You can comment or message us on Instagram.
Stay up and subscribe for more videos. Go!